Friends, so today we are going to solve a problem based on Laplace transform of standard functions. So here we have to find out the Laplace of cos t into cos 2t into cos 3t. Now you cannot find out the Laplace of this trigonometric term separately since we have the multiplication sign in between. So it means whenever you have the plus or minus sign in between any two or three functions, then you can take the Laplace transform separately. Since here we do not have the plus or minus sign in between these three functions, we are not able to take it separately. So what is my first job? So my first job is to convert these three terms in such a way that I'll get plus or minus sign in between. So for that what we'll do is, here we'll apply the formulas of trigonometry and we'll separate it. So for that I'll use the formulas of defactorization. So see here we have a term cos t into cos 2t. So for that we'll use one formula. Now what is the formula? So the formula of cos of A into cos of B is 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So this is the formula of defactorization in trigonometry. Now I'll use this formula to get the value of cos t into cos 2t. I'll say that A is t, or I'll say t is my A in the formula, and 2t I'll substitute in place of B in the formula. So here I'll say, let's consider cos of t into cos of 2t. So it is equal to, it will become 1 by 2 cos of A plus B. So A is t, B is 2t, addition of that will give us 3t plus cos of A minus B. It means t minus 2t will give us minus of t. Now again we have a formula, that is cos of minus theta is cos theta. So that formula will give us half of cos of 3t plus cos of t. Now we got the value of first two terms, but in problem we have three terms. So now I'll consider the third term. The third term is cos of 3t, which is multiplying the first two terms. So what I'll do is, I'll multiply the both sides with this third term. So therefore here we'll get cos t cos 2t, and the third term as cos of 3t, and here we'll get 1 by 2 cos of 3t plus cos of t into cos of 3t. So that is the third term. Now by multiplying with this third term, we will get in the bracket 1 by 2 cos square of 3t, because cos 3t into cos 3t is cos square of 3t, and here we'll get plus cos t into cos of 3t. Now if I'll take this substitution and I'll try to find out Laplace of this, then it is again not possible, since here we have cos square and in Laplace we do not have formula of cos square of at. We have a formula for Laplace of cos at. So again I need to bring this power to 1. So for that I'll again use the formula. Now what is the formula? So we have one more formula of trigonometry, that is cos square of theta, or I'll say 2 cos square of theta is equal to 1 plus cos of 2 theta. So by using this formula we will get here 1 by 2. Now see here, cos square of 3t, so it means 3t is my theta. So we'll get 1 plus cos of 2 theta. So theta is 3t, 3t into 2 will get 60. Now my friends, in the formula we also have 2 with the cos square of theta, but here we don't have that 2. So I'll send that 2 on the other side, it will divide here. It means that 2 will divide in my formula as well. So this is the value of cos square 3t. Now how to get value of cos t into cos 3t? So for that we'll again apply the above formula. So here t is my A and 3t will become B. So it will become 1 by 2 in bracket cos of a plus b t plus 3t, that is cos of 4t, plus cos of a minus b, that is t minus 2t, will become minus of 2t, t minus 3t, that is minus of 2t. But due to the formula of cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, I can say that cos of minus 2t is cos of 2t. So I'll directly write it down 2t over here. So now from these two terms I can take 1 by 2 common. So here we'll get 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 common, that is 1 by 4, and in the bracket we'll get 1 plus cos of 60 plus 1 into cos of 4t, and here plus cos of 2t. And now I'll substitute this value in the question and we'll find out Laplace of this term, because this is the substitution of cos t into cos 2t into cos 3t. So here we'll say therefore Laplace of cos of t into cos of 2t into cos of 3t is equal to Laplace of, now what is value of this? It is 1 by 4 into 1 plus cos 60, cos 4t and cos 2t. So that will become 1 by 4 cos of 60 plus 1 plus cos of 4t plus cos of 2t. Now let's find out Laplace of this. So first of all I'll take this 1 by 4 outside since it is a constant, and we'll apply the Laplace on each term separately. So we'll get Laplace of cos of 60 plus Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos of 40, and in the end we'll get Laplace of cos of 2t. So 1 by 4 as it is. What is Laplace of cos 60? So here we'll use the formula. Now what is the formula of Laplace of cos 80? So here you can see that Laplace of cos 80 is given by the formula s upon s square plus a square. Now here we have cos of 60, it means I can substitute a as 6. So here we'll get s upon s square plus 6 square. Here I'll write s upon s square plus 6 square, that is 36, plus what is Laplace of 1? So again by formula Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. So here we'll get 1 by s. So I'm just applying the standard expansions of Laplace transform plus cos of 40. Now again I'll apply the same formula, a is 4, so that will become s upon s square plus 4 square, that is 16, plus here we'll get s upon s square plus 4, that is 2 square is 4. And by doing this we got the value of Laplace of cos t into cos 2t into cos 3t. Thank you.